Learning how to pronounce numbers is critical for communication in any language, but especially English, the commercial and economic language of choice for the world. In this video, we're going to do 3 things that are going to help you improve your speaking of numbers. The first thing we're going to do is learn to count to 100. Second, we're going to have you participate in counting games. And third, we're going to role play some situations that involve using numbers on a daily basis. Let's get started. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and so on. 40, 41, and so on. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, or 100. Now, let's do a short numbers recognition game. Are you ready? Here we go. Read these signs and I'll reveal the answers after a few seconds. If you need more time, pause the video. $50. 60 kilometers per hour. A 45-degree angle. 200. Let's look at quantity. How many bees do you see in this picture? If you need more time, pause the video. There are 14 bees in the picture. How many of each fruit do you see? Count them now and pause the video if you need more time. How many pears do you see? There are 8. How many red apples are there? 10. And how many yellow pineapples do you see? 7. How can we use numbers in communication? Let's look at the various situations. First, age. How old are you? I'm 25. Or, I'm 25 years old. Time. How much time is left in class? 20 minutes. How long is this video? About 8 minutes. How long are you working today? 7 hours. From 9 to 4. We use numbers to talk about speed. What is the speed limit in town? It's 40 kilometers per hour. We also use it for general counting. How many English books do you have at home? I have 7. How many times do you exercise a week? I exercise 3 times a week. When we ask for someone's phone number, we need to know numbers. What is your phone number? 49564-783-6745. And finally, your address inevitably contains numbers. Where do you live? I'm on 132 Main Street, apartment number 53. Now, before we end this video, let's try 3 advanced exercises. Ready? First, let's count backwards from 10 to 0. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now let's count by 5s to 50. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Well done. And for the final exercise, we're going to count by 2s to 20. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good job. If any part of this video confused you, rewind it and listen to it again. And thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so that you can be notified each Monday of the next video in the beginner series. See you soon.